In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your Facebook Manager ad account. So guys, as you can see in front of you, this is my Facebook homepage. Now, what I'm going to do next, you can see 3 lines at the top right corner. I'll click those 3 lines, and then you scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. So here it is, Settings and Privacy. I'll click that, and then again, click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit until you see Payments. So right here it says Payments. I'll go ahead and click that. Now you can see Facebook Pay and Add Payment Methods. So I'll click on Add Payment Methods. And right here you can see my balance is 0, in-account spending limit, and all that info. But what we want is to add a payment method. So I'll click on that. Now, as you can see, it's asking me to choose the currency and then confirm details. So after you select your currency, you just hit Save, and then the option pops up to add a payment method. So I'll go ahead and click Add Payment Method. And now you can see it gives me the option to add a credit or debit card. When I click on that, it brings me to the screen where I need to enter my card details. So here's where you type in your card number, the expiry date, and the security code on the back of your card. Now, for security reasons, I'm not going to put my actual card information on screen, but this is the place where you fill it in. Once you're done, you just press Save, and that's it. Your card is now connected to your Facebook Ads Manager account. So that's the whole process, guys. You can add Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, even PayPal from here, and once it's added, you can use that card to pay for your Facebook ads. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, do let me know. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.